Hello and welcome to the Inventory Pro Knowledge Base. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can customize fields for inventory items, reservations, and logistics. You'll see we're starting out here on the Inventory tab. I'm going to select my item so that you guys can see the existing fields. See, we have description, company it belongs to, business unit, type. We have areas too, and those areas are going to be general, stock, manufacturing, item notes, configurations. So these are the fields available to us right now for inventory items. If we go down to the settings tab, we will then go over to inventory. We will then select Inventory Field Customization. And you will see that this reflects the same fields that we saw on the inventory item. And there are several things that we can do. You can move around areas so that they're positioned differently. You can even add a whole new area. And for today's purpose, we're going to apply this to inventory items. And you will see that our new area is located right here. And we can move this area further up the list if we would like. I'm going to move it just above pricing demo area. And then once we have our area, we can begin adding new fields. And we can add all different types of fields. We can add a text field, number, text box, a checkbox, users, and what user field does is allows you to select certain users based on the users that have access to this account. We have file upload, drop down, and date picker. So I'm going to create a date picker here and we'll call it birthday. It's going into the inventory area. We will save. You'll see that we have a birthday field here. I'm going to add a checkbox and we will call it used. An example of this is if something has been used or not, or if it's new. We'll save that. You'll see now we have a field for used. And then let's also add a text field. And we will call this one secondary name. And we'll save this. And now you can see that we have 3 new fields in a whole new area for our inventory items. Now we are still within settings. So if I go back to inventory items, I select an item, you will see that these fields are now showing here. And if I go to edit this item, I can come down. I'll mark used as yes. Birthday is a date picker, so as you can see, we can pick any date. And this was a text field, and it's for our portable 8-foot back wall display, and we sometimes just refer to this as portable wall. Then we save. And now you can see that those are all 3 new fields that we're now gathering on every inventory item across our system. So if I go to another item, let's go to the hanging sign, you'll see that these fields still exist. I haven't edited them for this item so that they're blank. So now you can see that we do have the capability to customize fields for inventory items. We also have the ability to customize fields for reservation details as well. So you can see here are the reservation fields that we're currently capturing, but if additional items need to be captured, again, you can come here to add an area and you can add new fields. You have the same options to choose the fields you need. And once those fields are saved, you can go to the reservations and add that data in. You will note that I don't have the option to delete these existing fields, and that's because they are standard. They come standard with the system, and there is logic tied in with them, and that is how they are currently used, so therefore you are not able to delete them. So again, your settings is where your main focus is going to be for both reservations and inventory. If you want to see an overview of the fields and areas you've created, you'll be able to do that here under Manage Fields and Manage Areas. You can see these are all the custom fields I've created, and I'm able to edit them from this page as well. And that is how you customize fields for reservations and areas on standard accounts.